guys, welcome back to another video. It's Zaza and Shelly. Woo! So today we are going to be making,
we're going to show you how to do
DIY COOLMAKER bracelet maker. So,
and this product is by Spinmaster, and
it makes sense why it's Spinmaster, because this spins.
Yeah. So we're going to show you how this product works.
Yeah.
And then we're going to make some cool bracelets for you guys to see.
Yeah. And this is an example of one of them.
Yeah. And this is a part of their different patterns, different threads that you could put together. These are the lovely patterns that it comes with. There's about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's about
7, 8, 9, 10,
11 of them. And we'll show you each and every one of them, but it does come with that. It also comes with this thing that we're going to show you how it works. And it comes with, oh, careful. It comes with all these different threads. Now you can get a refill, and it has different colors and different patterns. But this is the one that has blue, white, pink. What color is this? Oh my goodness.
Turquoise. It just went flying.
And then there's black. And then these are the clasp. And here is, again, more clips and clasps. And then it comes with the stickers.
You need them.
All right. So, shall we begin? Shall we spin away?
You look like a dreaded monster that's about to kill humanity. Da-na-na-na! Zaza and Shelly! Guys, so we're gonna explain to you how to do this. So, Mama Charlie, go.
All right, guys. So if you guys ever get a COOLMAKER, so the way it works is you get your design card. So I'm gonna make enchant because Zaza knows I love my blues and my blacks. So you're gonna get your colors together. Sorry, I don't know. 3 blacks and 5 blues. 1, 2, 3. Don't do that to me. 1, 2,
Wait,
3,
I need.
Okay, so this is what it's gonna look like. You want to make sure that the red line is straight. It's all the way. You'll see it. It'll go like that, and then it will straighten out. Oh, that's not straight. There you go. And then hold it.
So then, it's just rules. She didn't know how to explain this. So then we have to put a sticker here. You have to put a sticker right there, or like right near the end, and then
you put another one right here.
Take another one right there. Hold on. You take another one from here, peel it off.
Put it here, Zaza.
Put it here.
Yeah.
And then you wrap it around, close it up, and then after, you need good scissors for this, and safety first children for the scissors.
Can I release it?
Yeah. No, actually, I have to cut it first. So look. You cut it down here. I'm not a pro at this, so Bobbicelli has to do this for us. It's just like what? Yeah, one by one.
You have to. You can't cut it there. It's too dull.
How do you do it? Okay. So we switched roles, and Bobbicelli's doing this. She's a pro. Peace sign with Bobbicelli. So now we are going to take this clasp. So Enchant says this is the correspondent clasp. You just gotta open this clasp and then put it on like that, and then take one of these, and then put this on here so that the clasp secures. Okay, just gonna put it through. Just give me a moment. Okay, like that, and we're gonna see you when we finish the other side. finished filming all
So
6.
pretty, so pretty.
Something rip. So like all 6 of these. We're gonna do the other 6 in another video, so stay tuned for that video.
Make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell.
Like and share this video, please.
So that when we do put it up, you guys will know firsthand when that comes up, and you guys won't miss it.
So we hope you have fun and stay fly. So this toy here, it really, really and truly works really good. Like you can make all these bracelets. It's really easy. It's really quick. Unless you're doing like all of them in one day, it's not that quick. But yeah, like if you have some help from someone, and like I like it because it's like you can make fashion stuff by yourself, and it doesn't cost $1 million for just bracelets. So I'm gonna say that this toy is Zaza approved.